All right, just wanted to post some test footage from the Canon RF 16mm lens. It's this guy right here. It's this little lens right here, and I have it on the Canon R6. And it's a fun little lens. It's small, it's light, and this is pretty much all I took. So I filmed for a couple days down in Southern California, Disneyland. A lot of moving things, a lot of colory things, a lot of motion, and then it gets dark and the lights come on and everybody gets crazy. Just wanted to see what the result would be using the 16mm lens. I had the 35 for a while, but I felt like it was too tight. I mostly just filmed like, I wanted something a little bit wider. So yeah, here it is. There's a lens cap. Look at this little lens cap. It's the size of like a quarter. It's the tiniest thing. I think it's a 64. No, it's a 43mm filter thread. I wanted to just film like everyday stuff, like no special lighting, just whatever, just working with what you have, moving around, running around, trying to capture things without being too fussy about it. So kind of run and gun, I guess is what they say. But yeah, let me know what you think. I thought it turned out okay. It's sharp, it's light. There's a little bit of distortion to it, but overall, it's cool. It's not image stabilized, so you can't be like dancing around with it. You gotta be like, you kind of gotta be a little steady with it, But cool, let me know. All right, there you go. Enjoy.